Live from the news station. Fox 35 News at 5 starts now.
We begin with breaking news. A deputy shoots and kills a suspect.
Deputies say that suspect was going after them with a bar stool. Let's get out to the news station's Holly Bristow. She is live with the latest. Holly.
Well, this happened around 1 o'clock this afternoon, but as you can see behind me, it is still a very active crime scene out here. Sheriff Mina tells us that they've been called out here to this address where this happened 6 times before for calls involving violence and mental health issues. They had it flagged in their system, so they responded with 3 deputies as a precaution. Sheriff Mina telling us his deputies responded out here around 1 o'clock. Someone reporting a man in his 40s acting violent, breaking things, and attacking his own mother. He says deputies were talking to the suspect, trying to de-escalate things when the suspect picked up a bar stool and swung it, hitting the deputies, injuring 2 of the 3 responding deputies. Sheriff says a taser was used with no luck, and one of the deputies fired his weapon, killing the suspect.
This is pretty chaotic from what I said. Just watching the incident and hearing about it, I think they tried to talk to the individual and at some point had to take him into custody, and the individual became violent.
Those 2 deputies are still getting looked at. From what Sheriff Mina tells us, they both had defensive wounds to their forearms. Apparently they had put their arms up trying to block themselves from being struck by that bar stool as they were backing up. The sheriff says they are expected to be okay. All 3 deputies who responded on here are on administrative leave pending the outcome of an internal and an FDLE investigation, as is normal in any situation like this. We'll certainly let you know once we get some more information. For now, reporting live in Orange County, Holly Bristow, Fox 35 News.